Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React.js and Laravel project video tutorial, we will learn that how we can make API for get single product data. So these are the points of this video. First of all, we need to make a controller and a router. After that, we need to pass the product ID to the controller function, and we will get the result from the database. And at the last, we will test this complete flow with the Postman also. Before just going to start with this example, I want to show you some important information. If you are looking to buy a domain name or hosting, then you must have to buy with the domain racer, because they are providing hosting and domain name at very low cost. Here you can see that the hosting plan is starting with the 59 rupees per month. They have some several other benefits also. Their customer care service are really good. If you are facing any kind of issue, they are reply you very quickly and resolve your problem. After that, they have a free website builder. If you are not familiar with the code too much, or you are a beginner, then you can use this free website tool, and this is totally free of cost, right? Then you can use it, and you can build your website without writing any kind of code. So now let's start with our example. So let me just make a function inside a product controller. So let's make a function, and let's say my function name is get product. And for a moment, I am just returning a ID so that I can just check that URL and function is everything is working fine, right? Right, get product. And why I just put the get product, because we are getting only single product with that function. And after that, let's make a route for it, and just make the copy and paste of the previous URL so that we can do it very quickly. Our method name will be method type should be get, and you can just use your product as an URL and ID. After that, just provide your controller function here, which is get product, like this, right? And now we can test it. So let me just simply put here localhost 8000 sorry API, and here we can just write here product and with the product ID. So I'm going to put here product ID 7 for a moment, and you can see that this is returning ID. That means everything is working fine. So now what I can do here, let me just get the data with the behalf of this ID from product model, product scope resolution method, or you can say that : find $ID, right? And after that, let's check that what we are getting here. Here you can see that we are getting the data for our product number 7. You can see that we have a product number 7 with the Samsung mobile and price and all, right? And let's say just want to just try to get the data with the ID of 2, which is not available here, right? So we are just checking that there should not be any kind of error. Here you can see that data is totally blank. That means that okay, but there is a no error, right? Let's try the ID 25, then you will get the Samsung M40 and some other details, and here we have that, right? Let's try to add one more product. Let's say Micromax, and with the Micromax, let's select any random image and price like 15,000 bucks. Mobile or something, whatever you want to put here, right? After that, let's just jump on a product detail, and here you can see that we got the Micromax, the ID number 26. So now let's try to fetch the data with the ID 26. Here you can see that this is also again working fine. So with that way, you can just create a API for getting a single result at a time. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.